Lane Hardy join me on the stage. What's up, Heartthrob? Come on down here. All right, Lane. So, what a journey for you, right?
Yes,
you
sir.
never imagined you'd be standing here a year ago.
I know.
And here we are.
I know.
And after that nationwide vote across the country, Lane Hardy, America loves the Bayou Boy. Congratulations. Well done. What you gonna sing?
I'm going to sing Hurricane.
Lane Hardy, ladies and gentlemen, top 10 finalist. Party winner.
30 miles in the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turned his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. From Chicago, he gonna set that levee right. He said, needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
Judges on their feet. Luke Bryan, your reaction to that performance, my friend?
Great job, Lane. Way to just come out here and just deliver it with style and
smoking hot.
Oh. I think I'm going to let Katie talk.
No, I'm telling you, right?
KP.
I mean, it's like you touched the sky and you brought the color back. Black and back. I can't talk. You're smoking hot.
What did she say? What did she say?
You touched the sky and then you brought the color back and you put it in your suit. You look so good. You sound so good. You're a rock star. I'm shy.
Thank you. I love it. I love it. A lot of people have to go away from home to make it. You took us back home to make it. Only thing missing is your blue suede shoes. Other than that, you got it down.
Yes, sir.
By the way, Luke, do you recognize this shirt?
Wait, you been in my closet, boy?
I think you wore it first, right?
But I didn't wear it like that.
Top 10, Lane Hardy, take it over.
Good job.
I'm like, I've seen that shirt. I recognize that.
See how Ryan just looks at everything we wear?
I know,
and he's
and
like
he pays attention.
He's like a savant.
Listen, when you wear Baby Gap, you pay attention to adult sizes. One